Hello everyone. So this is Suresh. So today we are going to discuss about topic how to delete old files using Azure Blob Storage Lifecycle Management. Suppose if you have storage account and in that storage account we created multiple containers. In that case, how to set rule either to delete the blobs or moving the blobs to cold storage or archiving using Azure Blob Storage Lifecycle Management. So we can set rule like either if it is not accessed in some X number of days, we can assume that some 20 days, and how it should be deleted. Or if it is not accessed in some X number of days, then how to automatically move it to cold storage. One more case, like if it is not accessed in some X number of days, then how automatically move to archive storage. So first we'll go to Azure portal. First, I'm going to my container. So you can go to data storage and you can go to containers. So in containers, I have three containers: landing, sample, and test. Suppose if you check under test container, I have file like dimension underscore table, and it has access type of cold and blob type as blob. So now we'll see how to delete this blob using lifecycle management. So first you can go to storage account, then come under data management and come to here lifecycle management. So here we have option to add a rule. So you click on this add a rule and we have to give the name for the creating the rule name. Suppose I am giving delete files. So delete blobs older than 20 days. Older than 20 days. So this is the name I give. So then we have role scope. So there are two types. One is apply rule to all blobs in your storage account. Second one is limit blobs with filters. So I am selecting second one because in storage account I have multiple containers. So I want to delete in my required container. Then we have blob type. So one is block blobs and append blobs. So initially we saw that whatever I have blob, that is type of block blobs. So I am selecting this one, block blobs. And next we have blob subtypes. So initially I'm selecting base blobs. Okay, I'm these default settings. So then click on next. So here we have condition. So base blobs. So here we have condition, if base blobs were last modified in how many days? So I am giving some 10 days. Okay, I am mentioning 10 days. If blobs are older than 10 days, then what is the condition? So here we have different options. One is move to cold storage, and move to archive and delete. So for first 10 days, I am selecting move to cold storage. Okay, so this is one condition. So if I want to add one more condition, you can click on add conditions. So my if condition is last modified. If base blobs are last modified in how many days? So I'm giving here 20 days. If it is 20 days, then I'm selecting to delete the blob. So here you can select as many conditions as per your requirement. So here I given two conditions. One is if it is more than 10 days old, then move to cold storage. If it is more than 20 days, you delete the blob. Then click on next. So here we have filter set. So blob prefix. So enter a prefix or file path. So here I am giving container name. So my container name is test. So I am entering test. So this is the only container I want to delete the files. If you want to delete from multiple containers, you can add it as many containers you want. So next I am selecting add. See, this role is created. So whatever I give a name, delete blobs older than 20 days. So if whatever in my container file, so if it becomes 20 days old, then this lifecycle management will automatically based on condition, two conditions I gave. If it is older than 10 days, it move to cold storage. If it is more than 20 days, it will delete the blob. So here we can see other options. You click on delete blobs again. See, suppose if I select snapshots and versions. Now see what happens. See here it is added snapshots and versions. So go next, and here also if condition. If blobs are created more than 10 days, then what to do? Move to cold storage. And if blobs are, if it is last modified more than 20 days, then delete the blob. So if you see difference, base blobs and snapshots, if you see here, we have two options. One is last modified and created. Similar way, if you see in a snapshots, we have only created. If snapshots are created, how many days? You can mention some 20 days. Then what to do? Then delete the blob snapshot. So similar way, you can go to versions. See versions also you have only created option. So here we have two options. One is last modified and created, but in case of snapshots and versions, we have only one option created. So here these versions, it is like in our Git versions. So if blob has multiple versions, then you can select versions. So if it is more than 15 days, then delete the blob version. So you can update this rule. So same thing will update here. So this is the process of deleting the older blobs using lifecycle management. So this is final, and so you can, if you like really this video, you can like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.